Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer for those of you who are new here, and in today's video I have a very special guest. I have a guest who tried Orangetheory for the first time today. We are going to get his thoughts on everything, his thoughts on the workout, and we're going to find out if he survived or not. So let's bring him on in here. Hello.
Hey there. That was a nice introduction.
Yes, thanks. I stink, so be aware.
Okay. Oh, you don't stink too bad. You smell like
Sweat.
a hard workout.
So, you went to the gym today for the first time?
I did. I went to Orangetheory for the first time, and it was intense. It was intense. You were asking me to go for how long?
Almost a year now.
You were asking me to go with you for a year. I kept putting it off. And I finally went into a class with you, and we're fresh from the class too. Like, we just got back. We didn't even shower or change yet. And it was really fun, and it was really cool, really intense. And yeah, I see what you go through. I see what you go through for real. And it's no joke. It's no joke.
Okay, so you said it was fun?
It was super fun. When you first get there, they explain to you how all the equipment works. They explain to you how the process works. They give you this heart monitor that you put on your arm.
Or they also have a chest strap one, which goes across your chest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they talk Orangetheory lingo.
They do. Orangetheory lingo. And today's workout was pretty much was a treadmill.
They're all like treadmill, rower, and then the floor. But today was a switch template, so you were at each station for 4.5 minutes.
Yeah.
Which you got lucky.
How'd I get lucky?
Cause you imagine being on the treadmill for 30 minutes straight.
Yeah, that would be crazy.
Yeah. That's why I said like today you got lucky because you're only on there for 4.5 minutes.
Yeah.
So you can push yourself for 4.5 minutes, and then you know that you're gonna get a break.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you got your Orangetheory results, which I think you did really good. I think you're in better shape than you gave yourself credit for.
You think so?
For sure.
Okay.
And now you can finally see that men burn more calories than women.
Yeah, they do for sure. So I ended up
Had to have the coach tell you that?
I didn't have to have the coach tell me that.
No, last time I told you that, you were like, that's not true.
Oh, why you gonna put me on blast in front of your audience like that?
Yes.
Okay. And then what else? So here it shows like what I burned, and
this is just how many minutes you spent in the green zone, which is 29. You spent 12 minutes in the orange zone, which is perfect because that's what you want. So it's like the coach explained it to you. If you spend 12 or more minutes here, however many calories you burned in the class, you can add like an additional 400 calories.
okay.
The red zone, the way that that's explained to me, it's just always like your heart is like really working hard. So they always say like a lot of times if you're in the red zone, you can start to feel dizzy. You know, that's what they always say, like it's a yield sign, not a stop sign. So if you start to feel dizzy or lightheaded, just kind of slow down and let your heart rate kind of go down a little bit. But you're only there for 3 minutes, which I think was really good. You have a perfect pyramid. See, like you had a little bit of gray, which just means you're alive.
Okay.
You had 8 minutes in the blue, which is normal. Like, you know, we transitioned a lot. Every 4.5 minutes we were transitioning, so it's normal for your heart rate to go down. But you got a good pyramid. Your results are really good. I think you burned 38 or 58?
Yeah. 738. And they had this thing where you go, and they have this thing now where they go all out on the treadmill, and it's what is that, like the fastest you can run or something like that for like what's 90 seconds? 30 seconds.
Can you imagine doing 90 seconds? I would die.
Yep.
I would fall off the treadmill. I think I'd fall off the treadmill, honestly.
So I'm glad you didn't. And then after that, he'd go switch, and then we go like to the rower, and then the rower, you strap yourself in, And you're doing the rowing exercise for like a minute and...
Well, you do 150 meters. So however
150
long
meters.
it takes you to get that, yeah. But it's different every single time. So you know how... So I injured my hand. So I haven't been able to go this whole week, which it was kind of hurting today.
Oh, man. Kiss it.
Yeah. It's so nice. It feels better now.
Good.
So, you know, Thursday I was really sad because Thursday was the 2,000 meter row.
That's a lot of meters.
That's, yeah. So we do this thing called row I can't say it. Row voyage, or they used to call it Rowvember, where the month of November, like your classes was like mainly rowing.
Yeah.
And they give you like a sheet, and I rowed supposedly like according to all the meters. So if I started in Florida, like Fort Lauderdale, I had rowed all the way to like Japan. It was crazy. I wish I still had that paper. I don't know what I did with the paper.
You rowed?
Yeah. I was trying to go all around the world. Like the goal was to go from like Fort Lauderdale all around the world, and then by the time November is done, I just realized this is November.
It is for November.
And I missed the first week of November. I wonder if they're gonna have it because it's usually in November.
That sounds cool. I hope they have it.
Yeah, they give you like a paper. So your goal is to start, like they say, that you start in Fort Lauderdale, and then by the time you're done with the month of November, you should have gone all around the world. Like you should have gone back to home, back to Florida.
Oh, wow.
It's so cool. I think I got all the way to Japan. Maybe Hawaii.
Look at you. You're like a little trap with your traveling self. So that's pretty cool. The next thing was what they call the floor exercise, where they have us work with resistance bands and weights and the move where like you put the bands on where it goes above your knee.
Yeah.
And you got the weights and you're like doing this like hunched over and you do a squat.
I think they called it a sumo squat, right?
Or a sumo squat.
The sumo.
Yeah, it was.
All my lingo's wrong.
My form was wrong, and then
he was correcting you.
Yeah, he was. Our coach was cool. What was his name?
Brandon.
Yeah. Brandon was cool.
I think that's my favorite part of Orangetheory because it's like you work out with a personal trainer without having to pay like $500 a month for a personal trainer.
For sure.
Because they go in there and they show you, and even if you feel a little lost, like you just look at the people around you and you kind of get an idea. And then they have the screens at the top where they like demo the exercise. But if you ever have any questions or if you need a modification, like if you injure your leg or whatever, you just tell your coach and they find a modification for you. So I think that's one of my favorite parts too. Like if you're doing it wrong, like I was doing my mini band lateral, I think it was like lateral walk or something. I was doing that wrong, and he went over there and corrected me too.
So they're real accommodating.
Yeah, I wasn't walking low enough, or I wasn't squatting low enough. My quads were on fire. Is this quads?
Yeah, those are the quads.
I thought this was something else.
They had what'd you think it was?
Scrotum. I was trying to tell him the rower. I said, it goes to your scrotum. And I was like, wait, I don't think that's right.
So I'm doing the rowing and I'm strapped in and I'm pulling the levers.
Yeah,
I guess, and I'm trying to make sure that I've got the proper form. And I'm pulling the levers and she's like, you pull it to your scrotum. And I'm like, huh? I pull it to my jewels? Are you sure? And she's like, this is your scrotum. Maybe your sternum is what you mean. Like, so like pulling it to my chest. So, and then the coach came, Brandon, and told me the correct form. But they're real encouraging. He comes over sometimes to say, good form, you're doing this right, keep it up. And it was really fun to work out with you. Now I see what you go through. I see the hell that you put yourself through, and your workout journey has been pretty amazing. Your transformation from like just over a year ago to now is pretty crazy. So I have a whole new appreciation of what you go through and a new respect for what you go through at that place. And you do it, what, 5 times a week?
And I do it at 5 a.m.
5 a.m. Yeah, that's pretty wild. So yeah, it was fun, intense, and she actually I'm signed up to go every Saturday now. Yeah. So
you got you I don't remember what it's called, the program where you just go once a week because you work a lot, but you're pretty active at work.
Yeah. So we got that going. So now we're gonna be working out together every weekend, and that's gonna be super fun, super exciting, and You know what they say? The couple that works out together stays together.
I know.
I don't know if they say that or not.
They do.
Okay. Hey.
They do say that.
That's gonna be super fun. But yeah, I had a good time. I survived, and yeah, Orangetheory it's an experience. It is. The whole team effort. Everybody was explaining things, how things are supposed to go. There's really, you don't have to really feel the need to be subconscious when you go. There's just people in there of all shapes, all sizes, and they're all in there pretty much for the same thing, and it's just for a better, healthier lifestyle. So it was great.
I'm glad you liked it.
I did.
No, anything you want to add? This is your experience, your survival here.
My survival, no, it was great. I feel good. I feel good after the workout. I came back. I had a meal replacement,
like a
drink,
protein, yeah.
Protein drink.
Just because you need to get the protein back
Yeah,
in your
to
body.
replenish proteins, and I feel like good after that. I feel like, I don't know. I just feel like after that workout, I feel like my day's gonna be better. I feel like, I don't know. I just feel like my mind frame is better.
You're gonna sleep better.
Yeah, you just feel like healthier mentally, physically, spiritually after that workout. I don't know. It just feels like
I know.
you
I
just
saw
feel
you
in better spirits.
in the mirror flexing already.
Yeah. Like, did my abs come in yet, babe? You're like, chill. It's only just one visit.
That's me too. After you do the bands, you go to the mirror, like, oh, look at my quads.
Yeah. I'm start flexing and everything. Ayy. But put the guns down.
Yeah, put them away.
Yeah. Oh, they loaded though, girl. Ayy. Nah. But yeah, it was cool.
I'm glad you liked it.
So, I'm signing off.
Subscribe and comment and like the video. Then I'll be back for more videos. Maybe we'll be back.
Maybe. Ooh, teaser. Maybe.
Maybe.
Ayy.
Stay tuned for the next video.
Peace.